Now we go to the example 10. The question asks us to find the value of y in the figure. So when we observe the graph, the y is here, and actually it is the internal angle of a polynomial. So we can use the property of polynomial that the sum of all interior angles of the polynomial, that y plus 115 degrees plus 130 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 145 degrees would equal to open brackets and minus 2 close brackets times 180 degrees, and the n means the number of sides of the polygon, and in this figure the side of the polygon will be 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5, so we can substitute 5 into the equation. So that y plus 480 degrees will be equal to 3 times 180 degrees, which is equal to 540 degrees. So lastly, we can find that y is equal to 60 degrees. That's it.